The US has made a trade breakthrough with South Korea. That was the word from President Donald Trump on Wednesday. Trump said the two countries had reached a deal and had pretty much finalized it. His comments came at a dinner hosted by South Korean President Lee Jae-myung after a lavish welcome and gift-giving as Trump was awarded the country's highest decoration.
I'd like to wear it right now.
The Allies unveiled a deal in late July under which Seoul would avoid the worst of US tariffs on its imports. That was by agreeing to pump $350 billion of new investments into the US in return for lower tariff rates. But talks over the structure of those investments had been deadlocked. President Lee's aides said he and Trump agreed Seoul can split its promised investment fund into $200 billion in cash, and those can be paid in installments of $20 billion. The other $150 billion is to be spent on investments in shipbuilding, which South Korea has promised to help Trump restore. Trump's comments sent the South Korean won up against the dollar. Investors hope an agreement will remove uncertainty for the Asian country's trade-reliant economy. Without a deal, South Korean makers of cars and steel must pay US tariffs of 25% rather than the 15% agreed in July. It puts the country at a disadvantage against Japanese competitors who pay 15% after Tokyo made a deal with the US. Trump also sounded optimistic about an upcoming summit with China's Xi Jinping. He said they will have a very good outcome for the US and the world. He added he expects to reduce US tariffs on imports of Chinese goods. That in exchange for a commitment from Beijing to cut exports of fentanyl precursor chemicals.